Welcome to Tikiliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to update AMD graphics drivers on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computers. Now, at first, what you need to do is just go ahead and open up your browser. Then on your browser, on Google, just search for download AMD drivers. After that, just go to the first link. Now, if you scroll down, you can manually select the graphics card or the processor of which driver you require. But you can also download this. This will basically auto-detect and install the drivers for your AMD Radeon series graphics and Ryzen chipsets. So you can just download this. And after downloading and opening the installation file, you'll get a window like this. In here, it will check your PC's hardware and driver and software compatibility. After that, it will show your PC's hardware and the available software versions for you. Just select the recommended one and click on next. After that, you'll see all the chipset drivers. Select whatever you need and click on install. Then the installation of the software will begin. After that, when the installation will be done, it will ask you to restart your system. Just go ahead and simply restart your system. And basically that is how to update AMD Radeon graphics drivers on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.